We have some electric vehicle news here. We have a new video clip of the Rivian truck. I mean, there's so much going on in the world. Do you even remember the times we've been talking about this thing?
Very rarely.
Because we have, Will. We've covered this truck.
Oh, yeah.
It's a cool truck. It looks very promising. It's one of those far off ones where we've been waiting, but there's interest in this thing. This is sort of the more subdued electric truck compared to the Cybertruck. For somebody who wants a form factor, it's looking like a typical truck. And it has some cool features that we've covered in the past. A lot of storage compartments. Electric vehicles, trucks as electric vehicles have become an exciting segment because trucks are all about utility. Trucks are all about little storage cubbies and moving stuff around and torque. The big question still remains towing and hauling, but they wanted to get to the bottom of the off-road aspect. They wanted to show prospective buyers, hey, just because we got a battery in here, don't mean you can't go to the desert. And that's what this new video they released is all about. They got the Rivian truck off-road, and they're just flying. They're just loving it. They're scrambling around out there. This is the kind of thing you like to get up to on a weekend, Will.
Oh, yeah, all the time.
This was you a couple days ago. You were scrambled eggs out there. Just on the rocks. I mean, you got to admit that's kind of impressive.
Yeah.
The loose rocks?
The decal, the wrap is, what's up with that?
Oh, okay. So this is just like a weak attempt at camo. They don't want to reveal the truck to the world in its full... I don't know. They want to be driving around. Car companies do this all the time. They have car camo. But you're right. It's weird in this case because we have seen the whole thing. What are they hiding?
I mean, all it is just the color.
But that's how they normally do it. They try to... So they have a bigger impact when it actually shows up on the road. But I hear you because I feel like we've seen this truck. We've definitely seen this truck without camo on. So it is an odd choice. Will, you're right. You called them out and you're right in this case. They didn't need the camo, but anyway, the point here is with these videos, they're trying to say to you personally, Will, hey, we're a truck. Yeah, we know we got a battery. We know we're electric, but we're a truck, Will. Now, did that come across to you in that video?
Yeah.
That doesn't sound very promising at all.
Yeah. I mean, give me the color.
Okay, then you would have been into it. Yeah, so they were in the Arizona desert there. They did some rock crawling as well as other off-road fun and some track time on the dirt. I don't know. Obviously, Will is unimpressed with this one. I was pretty impressed. I thought it looked pretty competent out there. It's a commercial at the end of the day, so take from it what you will. But we move a step closer to having a Cybertruck competitor, an electric truck, a real mainstream electric truck people want to buy. The Rivian is one of those things.